So the boss said, okay, we waiting you, no problem. Then I said that my request was two beds, and they said, yeah, it's not a problem. So they have all the Scania R450. It's a 6-line engine, about 13 liters engine, 450 PS. It's and about 2,600 Newton meter, something like that, plus minus, around about. Yes, the steering wheel is not right, because they have to as a steering adjustment, they have to do it, because they change. I think it's called a tie rod. They changed one, and now it's going straight, but they have to make the adjustment. It's not a problem, not a big problem. So we have this that Scania here with a lot of help from electronic. For example, the lane departure here, left and right. If I go too much left or right, I have a warning. Then I have a uphill assistant, where it brakes when I'm on hill. It will help to brake, to stand if I'm stopped, for example, in one stop. Then I have something now on the steering wheel. That's why I don't know how it's called, this one. Then what else? I have a lidar, radar. I can see the speed from that truck in front of me. And I can set the cruise control my speed, so it will accelerate and brakes automatic. Engine is the gearbox is automatic, 12 forwards and 2 rearwards. Then what else we have? Radar, tempomat, bergfar. Also, yeah, it's automatic retard. Retard is almost like the jake brake. It will work on the engine, on the exhaust valves. It will close the exhaust valve and stop the injection. Plus the retarder. It's magnetic, hydraulic magnetic retarder mounted between the engine and the gearbox. I mean, so if I don't mistake. What else? That's one. Our speed in Germany, it's about 80 km/h on the highway, and Kraftbahnstraße is something like an highway, but the specification is two separate direction and 2 lane pro direction. Here in this street, in these roads, we can drive 80 km/h. Out of the city 60, and in the city 50 or 30 km/h. What else we have? Let's drink a little bit. Bluetooth radio, okay, then tablet for the company, for the customer, and everything. I started a little bit to my customization in the cabin. Out from the cabin, I didn't start it yet. I just applied some light on the front, but it's just the beginning. The cabin is almost finished. As you can see from the video previous, I did a little bit a video tomorrow morning. It was too much red, that's why I stopped it. But I have lights here, red lights on the floor, and on the back I don't have nothing. On the back I have only my post guard. Maybe from this camera we can see from the camera here. I have some photos from my last jobs. Not only my last job, from best friends and the best teammates from my job. And I put it there as memory. Then I have something from my favorite Fußballmannschaft, Dynamo Dresden. What else I have? Light curtains, table there, and I have something here for eating. Here in the here, that it's for it's a meal heater, then a water boiler, and that's all. Drink ketchup. We have Yoda. We have Yoda also. That's all for now. On the front we have to do, I did 8 lights, 8 orange lights on the grill, on the radiator grill on the front, and in the future, in the next future, I have to buy, build some lights at the rear, on the spoiler, on the back. I just started now. It's already 2 months at work. Yes, it's already 2 months now. Started at the end of October. I started. Then November. Now it's the end of December. It's 2 months with the trailer. I also did I don't know how many kilometers I did. I think I did something like 10,000 kilometers in 2 months. We don't drive so much in Germany like in US. So we can forget. So we can forget to do more as 1,000 miles per night. Because the US is big, Germany is little. Our customers are all here around 200-300 kilometers. So I have to drive, for example, today I was here at home, to my home, not so far, about 20 kilometers, right straight. Then I went back about 100 kilometers to our customer to unload, and just after 20 kilometers there was the other customer to load. Then I loaded there, then I went to our company, because our company was between the customer and my home. Then I came to my company to refuel. Then I refueled the truck, and now we are driving about now we have 120 kilometers. It takes about 1 hour 40 minutes if everything is okay with the traffic jam or something else. After that we have to unload. Anyway, it's right straight to the border between France and Germany. The river Rhine make the mark for the border, and that in this highway follow the border right straight from south to north, from south at our back to the north till Karlsruhe. After Karlsruhe the border goes left, and it goes to Luxembourg and Belgium. I don't